Hello friends, myself Chole Prashant Ramesh Rao, Head and Assistant Professor, Department of Environmental Science, Sanjeevani Mahavidyalaya, Chapuli. Today we are going to study our new chapter from Unit 2nd, that is Biodiversity. In this topic we are going to study what is meant by biodiversity, what are the different types of biodiversity, and last, India as a mega diversity nation. Now we see what is mean by biodiversity, what is the concept of word biodiversity. See here, the biodiversity is a combination of bio and diversity. Bio and diversity. From these two words, the biodiversity is originated. Now we see what is meant by bio. Bio means living, and diversity means variation or variability or a variety. Bio means living and diversity means variation or variability or variety. Then see the definition of biodiversity, that is variety and variability among the living organisms. Simply the variety and variability among the living organisms is called as biodiversity. There are different definitions in different books and given by different authors, but one of the common definition that is we used is the richness in variety and variability of species of all living organism in a given habitat. In a particular habitat, the richness of variety and variability of a living organisms is called as biodiversity. The biodiversity term firstly coined by Walter G. Rosen in 1985. In 1985, biodiversity word is firstly used or firstly coined by Walter G. Rosen. The number of variety of plants, animals and other organisms that exist in an ecosystem is known as a biodiversity. This is another definition of biodiversity. The number and variety of plants, animals and other organisms. Other organisms means insects, birds, etc. exist in a particular ecosystem is called as a biodiversity. It is a measure of the variety of organisms present in different ecosystem. What is the biodiversity? The measure of the variety of organisms present in an ecosystem or in a different ecosystems. Here the richness of biodiversity, that is richness of species or variety of species present in a biodiversity or a particular ecosystem, is totally depends on climatic condition and area of the region. The favorable conditions are there, the richness of species is more, or there is no favorable condition, there is a richness of species or abundance of species of living organisms are less. There is depend on climatic condition and area of the region. Next, here we see the biodiversity of earth. how how much insects, mammals, fungi, plants, algae, or other animals present on the earth. Here in this image, we see the higher numbers on earth, insects are present in higher numbers, that is 7,40,000 insects are present on the earth. This yellow region we see in this image that shows the presence of insects. Second, plants, green region shows the number of plants present on the earth. 2,90,000 plants species present on the earth. On third number, that is other animals, reptiles, fish, crocodiles, etc. They are shown in the figure in blue color, that is the species of other animals, that is 2,80,000 different species present on earth. Next, algae, 23,000 different species of algae present on the earth. There is a 30,000 different species of protozoa, 66,000 different species of fungi, 1,100 of different species of viruses are present on the earth. This is the distribution of biodiversity of earth shown in this figure. Next, there are three types of biodiversity. Number one, genetic diversity. Number two, species diversity. And number three, community and ecosystem diversity. Genetic diversity, variation of genes within the species. It could be alleles of or chromosomal structure. Second, we will see this detail in next slide. Second type, that is species diversity, variety of species within a region, that is species richness at a particular habitat or a particular region. And third is a community and ecosystem diversity, diversity at the level of community and ecosystem. Here we see in detail genetic diversity. Genetic diversity is the amount of variation in genetic material within a species or within a population. What is meant by genetic diversity? Variation in genetic material within a same species or within a same population is called as genetic diversity. The magnitude of variation in genes of a species increases with size and environmental parameters of the habitat. Genetic diversity has the following importance. It helps in a speciation or evolution of new species due to variation in genetic material. Second, it is useful in adaptation to changes in environmental condition. See in this species, in this image or in this slide, we show the two pictures. In one, we see the genetic diversity within humans, and second, genetic diversity within dogs. First, we see genetic diversity within humans. We all know that India having population of 135 crore. out of this population, we never observe that the women and men seems similar except identical twins. Means every person vary or we called as a different from other ones. This is because of a genetic diversity. Also we see in our home or in our society the parents having two child, they also not seen or not the same except identical twins. This is because of genetic diversity. In second picture we see the genetic diversity within dogs. Same species but not seen identical because of genetic diversity. Next, second, species diversity. It describes the variety in number and abundance of the species within a region. Species diversity indicates the abundance of species within a region or within a particular habitat. To accurately determine species diversity, both the species richness, which is the number of different species, and the relative abundance, which is the number of individual within each species, must be considered. Means the presence of different species and presence of species or presence of individual within each species is in abundance is called as a species diversity. The species richness depend largely on a climatic condition. If climatic condition for a particular species is favorable, that species is in rich in number or in high number. That is totally depend on climatic condition. When a species is confined entirely to a particular area, it is termed as a endemic species. Here, what is meant by endemic species? A occurrence of species in a particular area. Suppose any one species found in our area and none of any other area in the world, that is called as a endemic species. The particular species found in only a particular area. For example, lizard, some species of lizard are commonly found or occurred only in a Western Ghat, not anywhere in the world, only in Western Ghat. That is called as a endemic species, or that particular area is called as a endemic species. Next, ecosystem diversity. It is a assemblage and interaction of species living together and the physical environment of a given area. It related to a variety of habitats, biotic communities, ecological processes in biosphere. It also tells about the diversity within the ecosystem. For example, the landscape like grassland, desert, mountains, it etc. shows ecosystem diversity. What is meant by ecosystem? Ecosystem means the interrelation between living and non-living things. Here, then what is meant by ecosystem diversity? The ecosystem diversity is due to the diversity of niches, trophic levels, and ecological processes like nutrient cycling, food webs, energy flow, role of dominant species, and various related biotic interactions. Such type of diversity can generate more productive and stable ecosystem or communities capable of tolerating various types of stresses, example drought, flood, etc. Next, India as a megadiversity region. Why India is a megadiversity region or megadiversity nation? India is one of 12 megadiversity countries of world because India has a 47,000 species of plants. In India, we found 47,000 species of plant and 81,000 species of animals. That's why India called as a megadiversity region or megadiversity nation. Many endemic plants and animals are found in India. Some plants and animals only found in India. That's why it is called as endemic plants and animals. India is a center of origin of many flowering and crop plants like rice, etc. They are only origin in India. India has a great marine diversity, that is aquatic diversity, due to 7,500 kilometer long coastline area. Next, India has one of 12 megadiversity countries in the world. These 12 megadiversity countries are as follow. Number 1, Australia, Brazil, China, Colombia, Ecuador, the United States, India, Indonesia, Madagascar, Mexico, Peru, the Democratic Republic of Congo. These are 12 megadiversity countries list, and India has a 7th place in this. Thank you.